Hi guys, welcome to London Toys. In today's video I have 3 Minions blind bags for you guys. So let's start with the first one and see what's inside. Alright, so let's start with this shiny little blind bag. On the back you can see all the characters you can collect. And secretly I'm hoping I get King Bob because that's my favorite character. Well, let's open it and find out. And we have the Dracula minion. It's called Gone Batty minion. Very cool. And I also have the McDonald's version of this minion. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. Time to open the second blind bag. Let's see who is in this one. And it is the Stone Age minion. And this little guy is called Crow Minion. Let me show you all the sides. Now let me show you the McDonald's version of this toy. And here are they side by side. And you can compare them to each other. Really cool. I think McDonald's toys are really good. They had really good Minion toys this time. Alright, time to open the big blind bag. Let's see what we're gonna find in that. Like always, we get some sweets. And the first toy is this bouncy ball. Really cool. Next, we got some memory cards. Super cool. Let's open it and have a closer look. Here we have a minion with the Union Jack glasses. Next is this pirate minion. And here is the au naturel minion with the McDonald's version of it. This is how the McDonald's toy looks like. And here is the hippie minion. And I think it is Stuart. And in this blind bag we also get this fun little activity book. On the back of the book we have Bob, Kevin and Stuart finger puppets. And this is how the finger puppets look like. And now I want to show you guys Stuart next to McDonald's Stuart. Really cool. Here we have some awesome stickers that were included in this big blind bag. And in the comments below, let me know who is your favorite minion. Mine is King Bob. Alright guys, last but not least we have these minion eyes, minion goggles, and let's follow the instructions and make them. And the minion eye mask is ready. Alright everyone, that is it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you next time. Take care, bye!